Chosen one, stop. Yes, you stop everything for the next few seconds, because what I am about to reveal will strike your soul with such force that a part of you will finally exhale and whisper. So this is why my life never made sense. Listen carefully. The moment you stumbled onto this message was not a coincidence, not an accident, not luck, and not the algorithm. This is a divine appointment crafted specifically for you, because today you are finally going to understand the truth your soul has been trying to tell you your entire life. The truth that you are not like the others and you were never meant to be. What I am about to reveal will explain your suffering, your loneliness, your sensitivity, your pain, your intuition, your struggles, your gifts, your attacks, and your destiny. This is the moment you finally realize you are not human. Chosen one, that feeling you have carried for years. The heavy, silent knowing that you don't belong here is not imagination. It is not anxiety. It is not depression. It is memory. A memory from before your birth. A memory your human body cannot access, but your soul never forgot. You have always known this world felt strange, hostile, unfamiliar, as if you were placed here, but not from here. And you were right. You didn't come from here. You were sent here. There is a reason why no matter where you go, no matter who you meet, no matter how much love surrounds you, there is a part of you that feels alone, as if you are looking through a window at a life that you are supposed to be living, but not actually living it. This is the truth. You were born into a human body, but your essence is not human. Your soul carries an ancient frequency, a celestial signature, a divine code that Earth recognizes instantly and rejects instantly. You have always been too deep, too sensitive, too intuitive, too wise, too aware for this world. Not because something is wrong with you, but because everything is right with you. Your soul is older than your body. Your destiny is older than your name, and your mission is older than your memories, chosen one. There comes a moment in every incarnated angel's life when all the pain they endured begins to connect, like pieces of a puzzle snapping into place. A moment where you realize the loneliness was preparation. The rejection was protection. The pain was refinement. The intuition was guidance. The attacks were confirmation, and that moment is right now. Your awakening is not random. It is timed, and heaven has pressed the button. You are waking up because your mission is calling you. You need to hear this clearly. The world treated you differently because you are different. You have always been different, spiritually, energetically, celestially. People sensed something in you they could not understand. Some were drawn to your light, others were threatened by it. Some wanted to protect you, others wanted to destroy you. But none of it was personal. It was spiritual. Darkness recognized you long before you recognized yourself. It knew your potential. It knew your mission. It knew your future. It knew your power. So it tried to break you before you remembered who you are, but you didn't break. You bent, but you didn't fall. You cried, but you didn't quit. You suffered, but you kept rising. That alone is the proof of who you are. Chosen one, listen deeply. There comes a moment when the soul recognizes itself. A moment when the illusion of normal life collapses and you finally see your own reflection for the first time. A moment where you whisper, I was never human. I was always something more. This realization is not arrogance, it is remembrance. Your emotions operate at a higher frequency. Your intuition is not instinct, it is communication from the realms you came from. Your empathy is not weakness. It is the residue of divine compassion. Your sensitivity is not fragility. It is spiritual radar. Your loneliness is not isolation. It is longing for a home beyond physical reality. Your gifts are not coincidences. They are fragments of your celestial origin bleeding through the human shell. Once you realize you are not human, 3 profound transformations begin inside you. 1. You stop searching for belonging in people who cannot match your frequency. You finally understand why human relationships felt empty. 2. You stop blaming yourself for being too much or too different. You honor your soul instead of hiding it. 3. You stop shrinking to fit into spaces that were never meant for you. You begin walking with divine posture, not pride, but purpose. This is the moment your real life begins, chosen one. You came here to carry light into a dark generation, to awaken sleeping souls, to break cycles, to shift timelines, to expose lies, to heal what others cannot see, to walk where others fear to walk, to stand where others fall. You didn't come here to fit in. You came here to change something. And the reason your awakening is happening now is because the world is entering a season where your presence is no longer optional. It is essential. Heaven is activating you. Darkness is nervous. The earth is shifting, and your soul is remembering. This is your moment of realization. You are not weak. You are not broken. You are not lost. You are not strange. You are not too emotional. You are not too sensitive. You are not behind. You are not late. You are awakening. You are remembering. You are rising. You are not human. You are a celestial being having a temporary human experience. Walk in that truth. Own that truth. Live from that truth. Because the moment you do, nothing in this world will ever have power over you again.